Hello, we're super excited to show you our newest build coming out of Nomadik Customs. We are a customized van builder here in Portland, Oregon. We've done probably around 50 to 55 vans. None of them have ever been the same. Layout, design, all the interior work that we do on these things, they're all unique. And so this one is not immune to that. We tried our very best to listen to what our clients' needs were. She had a few requirements. She does a lot of river rafting, so she needed this to kind of be a shuttle bus. So we needed seat-belted seats for up to 4. We also needed to have an expandable bed so she could solo travel, or it expands so when her family joins her, they have extra space to be able to sleep and just kind of have some separated space in the van as well. So we also really took our time and effort on the finishes in this particular van. She wanted very clean look, but she wanted it to be really warm at the same time. So we used CVG fir to kind of get that warmth from sort of the orange of the woods. And then we also did all of the shelves and stuff out of an African rosewood called bubinga. Really has some really nice touches to it. And then we got to have some fun with doing some unique research into patterns for a backsplash too. So you'll kind of see what I'm talking about with there. And then all the usual systems that we put in: radiant heated floors, forced air heat, on-demand hot water, solar powered air conditioning, as well as the appliances that we typically put in. So over a I think it's about a 4.2, 4.3 cubic foot refrigerator with a really nice sized freezer because the compressor is on the bottom rather than the top. Double induction cooktop that sits on top of the countertop. We have our typical 7-gallon gray water underneath with ball valves, 30 gallons of fresh water, and then we have a 400 amp hour power system at 24 volts, so 800 or approximately translates to around 10,000 watt hours for a power system. So plenty of power to do everything that she wants, be off grid, take some solo trips, take some family trips, take some rafting trips, and all being in the comfort of her home with kind of the design and creature comforts that she wanted. One of the things that we did on this particular van is we fabricated our own roof rack with a walkable solar panel and deck, as well as put a lot of stuff onto the outside of the vehicle. It has a 2-inch lift, reservoir shocks, 17-inch rims, and all-terrain tires, as well as front kind of Baja style winch box and bumper. The little LP9 lights, light bar, and then on the back of the vehicle we have spare tire rack and expedition boxes so that she can have a lot of stuff to put, like firewood or the things that she doesn't want to have inside the vehicle. We also are opening a full installation and repair center. So if you have a van that you're needing to do some updates or upgrades on, we'd be more than happy to help you. If you have any questions or concerns, or want to inquire about us doing any work for you, please give us a like and follow and reach out via email. Thank you for your time, and we'll look forward to hearing from you. All right, take care.